Hi friends and family. So today this is going to be our last unboxing for December 2020 and 2020 in general. So who's really upset or sad about that? Anyway, today we're going to be unboxing, and this is the box it came in. The Urban Decay mystery box that they had out for the Christmas season. But first, I don't really have a moment of inspiration, but I just have something that I want to say. Did you guys see the Saturn, Jupiter, Christmas star combo thing that went on the winter solstice on the 21st? Oh my gosh, beautiful, amazing, stunning. How lucky are we to be able to have witnessed that? And I feel like that's an inspiration all of its own, that here we are spinning in perfect proximity from the sun in the universe, where we are just floating along in space, even though we have coronavirus going on. Like, how magical is that, to know that we are so safe and well taken care of, and to get to see this beauty. Okay, so anyway, that was amazing. The part I wanted to speak on is that when my family and I went out to go see it, we drove by a little park that has like this, it was just a perfect view from our part of the city against like the mountain view range and blase. And there were so many people at the park stopping to look at this. And then at the park we went to, there's a community college across the street. That parking lot was full of people looking. And I just thought, how grateful and blessed and beautiful was it to see everybody stop from their daily routine, from work, from the hustle and bustle, from the holiday shopping, from the money spending, to have that moment to just look and see this once in a lifetime spectacular view. Like, that was gorgeous. Like, it was just inspiring to see all these people stop and basically smell the coffee. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. If you didn't know, December is my birthday month. I always buy myself birthday gifts from my children because I know exactly what it is that I want. I give them the credit for it and we're all good. So I did go ahead and purchase the Urban Decay mystery box for December. Now originally it was for $99 and then it went down on sale to $74, but because I get a birthday coupon, it was 15% off, so I paid a little bit less than that. So the retail value of this was supposed to be $182. So, you know, if you're paying the $99, you're getting almost $100 more in value. The other thing is, I want to take a quick guess here. So I chose the hot, sticky, and sweet mystery box. Now I'm guessing that, and I haven't peeked because I did open this because I thought that there was gonna be a box inside, but there wasn't. So like, this was literally all I saw, so I don't even know, but I'm gonna guess. I just want to guess because I love Urban Decay. So hot, I'm thinking we're getting a heat palette or mini palette. Sticky, we're probably getting a honey palette. Sweet, probably the cherry palette, because so I think you get two full-size palettes in here. So I'm thinking that you get so I'm guessing we're gonna get the cherry palette and the honey palette full size, and then the mini heat. So let's go ahead and see how close I am. So again, here we go. Here was the box and what I saw. Ooh! Okay, well, we'll see what happens. So yeah, look at this. Looks like 3 full-size palettes and something here. So I'm kind of not looking, but I am looking because I have to look because I got to do this. Okay. Yes, I was correct. We've got the Naked Honey full-size palette, and this is great because I don't have this. I don't have it in my collection, which is why I chose Hot, Stickin' and Sweet. Look at how pretty. Ooh wee. Oh wow. Okay dokey. You know what? It's in great condition. So, here, I know you guys have seen this palette, but oh man. And of course, you know, Urban Decay always does a great job with including the brushes, and I do like them. They're not my favorite, but I do really like that they come with this, and they are actually fairly good quality. Okay, so let me look and see what the retail value of this is. I like, you guys are getting my first whole impression of this, so so I didn't know what was coming in here, so I didn't prepare for the video. Okay, so well, all right, so right now it's on sale for $24.50. So let's go ahead and we'll add up the $24.50 to our calculator, and we'll see if it's, because if they're on sale, yeah, I don't know, we're gonna see. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with it. All right, so there's that. I'm happy with it. And then, yes, who would have thought? I thought it was going to be the mini heat palette. So excited, exciting. Oh. Ah! It's all sealed up. It's all sealed up. Wow, I'm like still shocked though, even for a mystery box, to have this full-size palette. Oh no, the tape ripped. Okay, so that's taped on both sides, I think, because it's a slide. It's a slider. Let me grab my scissors. Ah, come on. Cooperate with me, damn it. Okay. So, oh yeah, isn't she a beauty? Isn't she a beauty? Beauty queen. Oh, look how cute. And it's all these little fire roses. Okay. Oh, and then it looks like there's some matches on the inside of the box. All right, and here are the colors, and of course we got our awesome Naked Heat brush. So for me, like, I'm happy so far. I don't have these in my collection yet, so there we go with that. Let's go ahead and see what the Naked the Heat palette is going for right now. Heat. Alright, so the Heat palette, it is also on sale, but it was regular $54 and it's on sale for $40.50. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. So $40.50. Alright, so then go ahead and put this bad boy back in the package, and then we've got the cherry, the Naked Cherry. So I do at this point feel like it's worth doing your collection. It's worth getting this box for the collection if you want to update it or add to it. I think it is a good deal, so, or a good idea. And I do wish that they, I can't, I'm trying to open this. All right, nothing's working out for me right now. Holy moly. So if you want to build your palette collection, I think that this was a good idea. So there's that beautiful beauty. And oh, this is gorgeous. Again, just happy to have that in my collection. Oh yeah, I mean, oh, look how beautiful the brush is. And I did forget to mention that they are always double-sided. Most Urban Decay fans and returning customers know that, but I thought I'd mention it just in case. Oh, I'm really happy with this. What a beautiful palette. I mean, I'm just happy with all the stuff all the time. I just, you know. All right, so let's see what this value's for with on today's website. Cherry. Okay, so it is on sale also for $36.75, down from $49. So $36.75, let's plug that in. All right. I mean, can't be mad at this. We've got the Provision Volumizing Mascara. So, I mean, we all know this is a good, we all know this is a very good stuff. We know it's amazing. It's one of my favorites. Full size. I'll definitely be using this, so I am going to open it up because look at this brush. The brush is just fantastic. It's similar to the Better Than Sex mascara, and you guys know, like, that's my favorite. I love this one as well. So yeah, I'm excited for that. That probably is not on sale, but let's give it a look-see-loo. Okay, so Perversion. Perversion mascara. Oh, it is on sale from $25 down to $18.75. So let's plug that in. All right, so let's do a quick recap before I get into the total value. So we got the full-size Perversion mascara. We got the full-sized Cherry palette, Naked Heat palette, and Honey palette. So we got 4 full-size items. So let's go with the $99 value here we paid, and you were supposed to get up to $182 in value. However, I am a little disappointed because everything was on sale. So even if you got it at the this mystery box, like I said, cost the $99, was on sale for $74. So maybe if you bought it closer to the $74, which I did because I had a coupon, and did it meet the $182 mark? No. So with everything being on sale, we got $120.50. So, I mean, is it still, there's still some value in here? Yeah. Not what they claim, and maybe at full price, okay. But, I mean, if you're gonna do this promotion, like, it should just be done a little different. So, am I happy that I bought this? Yeah. I didn't have any of these in my collection, so very happy about that. My birthday gift to myself from my children, so I'm good. Kind of bummed, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of a bummer. But anyway, let me know, did any of you use or buy the mystery box? What did you think? Did you think the value was going to be worth it? Like, I was kind of iffy. It's kind of was easy to guess what was going to be in here because I told you at the beginning what I thought. I was spot on with it, other than, you know, other than I thought that this was going to be the mini, which I'm glad it wasn't, because that would have jacked up my value, would have effed it all up for me. But overall, I am happy. I'm satisfied. Like I said, they could have done better. So was it fun? Absolutely. Did we have fun undoing this box? Yeah, of course. So anyway, let me know your thoughts, comments below. And yeah, we'll see you. You know what? Happy holidays, happy new year. And we will see you in January.